Hey guys, I'm really tired of this pandemic thing, of this COVID shit and everything else, like cleaning everything else. But that doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop fighting. But the thing is, yeah, I'm getting tired of being trapped and prevented, and I don't know. I just hate this thought here. I hate being, I don't know, limited, restricted. I hate being at home all the time. I wish it's not all the time, and also at the same time I hate being depressed, being stressed and everything else. So I'm gonna fight this out. I'm gonna create new content and do a lot of stuff and a lot of things daily. So I'm gonna post them here on Instagram or on YouTube and everything else. I'm gonna try to be minimalist. I'm gonna try to reinvent myself and do something about it, but that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna social distance and I'm not gonna stay at home and everything. But yeah, we're gonna do something about it, and let's be positive. But yeah, I'm just tired. I'm tired of waking up late and everything and being shitty all the time. But yeah, let's make something nice out of our lives, or I don't know, situation. I can't even speak well. I'm so fucking stressed. I'm so fucking fed up. And let's take a stand. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a lot of things this week. I have bought some stuffs, cheap stuffs, just that we can have content. I'm gonna show you guys what are some of the toys that we have back in the Philippines, back when I was young in the province and everything else. We're gonna do projects. We're gonna do a lot of talks. We're gonna do a lot of things. Same time, I'm trying to restrict myself to upload anything on YouTube and Facebook and everything, but right now I'm just gonna upload anything that I get through. If I can upload 3 videos in a day, that will be whatever. I'm fed up. Let's be creative. Let's be I don't know, how do you say? I can't think of the word now. Whatever. Shit. Yeah, I'm just tired. COVID, we're gonna beat you. COVID, we're gonna make everything better. I don't know, I just hate it. We're just gonna bounce back, guys. We're just gonna bounce back. At the same time, we're gonna fight the virus. We're gonna stay at home. We're gonna wash our hands. We're gonna do everything that we can to be healthy and everything else. So yeah, help me, guys. Help yourselves. Help everyone else. I don't know. Be positive. I'm just tired of this shit. Let's do this.